Hey guys, who is up? Well, y'all should be up, right? Where is everyone? I just want to tell you guys happy Memorial Day. I know today might be a tough day for you to eat clean, but whatever you do, stay on track. And if you tend to eat some sugar, some flour, like pasta and whatever, fat, tomorrow is another day, as long as you get back on track. Happy Memorial Day. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and a peaceful day as well. So, this morning, you like my shirt? This morning when I woke up, got ready to go to the gym, my husband said to me, "The tea is working, baby. You are looking slim." I got it going on, right? The tea is working. NRG is working. The solution drops are working. The NutriBurst is working. I love my products. Get on it. Get on it, guys. Have fun today. Talk to y'all later. Bye.